Major revolution. AI Photography Master Module launched. Achieve professional-grade photography. Without studio shoots or complex prompts. Still struggling to find the perfect professional photo for your marketing campaign? High studio costs. Overly complex AI prompting jargon? NeoSpark is continuously upgrading. And our mission remains to make design as simple as a conversation. We've already solved layout and typography using natural language. Now we re-ending the last barrier to professional photography. Introducing the Nano Banana Pro Photography Master Module. You no longer need to understand obscure photography terms. Step into our Visual Studio interface. Select your desired lighting, depth of field, and lens type just as if you were directing amateur photographer. You choose the effect, and the AI instantly generates the perfect, complex prompt for you. Zero barrier. Use our library of professional scene templates. Whether it's minimalist product shots for commercial ads or social media backgrounds, one click generates the technical prompt instantly. Now for the final step, copy the powerful studio-grade prompt generated by Nano Banana Pro. Paste it into Google Gemini Studio. Select the dedicated Nano Banana Pro model and generate your final high-resolution image in seconds. This bridges our simple visual interface with cutting-edge AI power. Say goodbye to high costs and long waits. We believe this groundbreaking tool will revolutionize your content creation workflow. And the best part? The Nano Banana Pro Photography Master Module, the prompt generator, is now completely free for all users. Join our beta test now and let us know your feedback. Call to action text on screen. Free access to prompt generator. Get your professional prompts